by Samuel Kinyariro Njeri. He places the paste on the potter's wheel. This lamp of ethics, this party of morals. He presses and pounds. He shapes and molds. He kneads and wields the shapely clayey dough. Next, he fires and bakes in the kiln of learning, fusing together the parts, setting codes of conduct and the standards of virtue. He then sets out to decorate with elaborate attitudes. He overlays with the glaze of beliefs and values. With habits of honesty, he colors the ceramic, till as he, being thus forged, becomes a civic citizen, impenetrably impermeable to the plague of falsehood.